Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fine morning, and in today's video I'm going to give you one stock that I really like that has had a lot of insider activity, so you will want to stay till the end of the video. And I also want to talk a lot about my strategy, and today I'm going to kind of give some insights into how I invest, why I invest this way. But before I get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you have not done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. I do have a Patreon group. If you are looking to invest with the insiders and get alerts sooner and better, then you will want to take a look at the memberships available within that room. I have a link in the description down below. I would sure love to see you there. We're right at the beginning of a month, and I think that there's a chance that we could see inflation flattening out and for the market to get very, very bullish. And I am now starting to get more and more excited about the market moving upward. So far this year, I'm down 7.16%. This has been a real struggle, but still beating the market. And anytime that you have a stock trading strategy, you need to compare your year-to-date gain versus the overall market and do it over a long period of time. Have a strategy and stick with it. Reasons to enter a stock: you need certain reasons to enter. You need to know what those are, and you need to have reasons for exit, or a plan to exit a stock if it should turn against you, or a plan to exit a stock and take profits as you go. Now, I am a big believer that you need to be investing with the vital few. So the vital few, in my opinion, are the insiders. You need to ignore the trivial many, and the trivial many are many people that are on YouTube giving out certain call outs. And I know that that's something that I do, but you need to avoid the trivial many, and you need to ask yourself, why is someone in this stock? Why do they believe in it before you invest? Or it needs to fit a strategy. I like following the insiders. It is how I have made money year after year after year. I have beaten the market every single year since 2006. And I've been able to really set myself up by trading with the insiders. It's important to follow the money. All right, well, let's get into this video. I start talking about a few of the things that I'm looking at. Let's start by talking about the S&P 500 SPY ETF and levels you should look at in the morning. All right, so we have the S&P 500, and I know I got a lot of lines up here. You're looking at this thing going, this looks so confusing. But the closest resistance up here is very valid, up here at 425. I think at 425, we're going to see lots of bears kind of show up at that level, some levels of support right now. We have is 410 has been very important. 408 has been very important. We have hit that level many times and bounced off of that. And right now, it'll be interesting to see which direction we go. We have two gaps open. I have these yellow lines open. They are gaps that are open. Gaps tend to fill, but there's no guarantee that they fill anytime soon. This is a gap down lower that I'm looking at that's right at 406. We have a gap up above at 438 on the S&P 500. So we could see quite the move here. Now we have CPI data coming out on Friday. So that is very interesting. Looking forward to that data coming out. We will either see a huge rush on Friday, or it could be a big move downwards on Friday. So the market is going to move based upon that report. It will be interesting to see. I think that inflation is topping off, and we will see better times, and we're going to start to see the inflation kind of come down. But, there's still lots of trouble with the economy, lots of things going on. But I think in the short term that we see a nice move upwards because of that. All right, as promised, I got a stock pick for all of you, and this is based on insider activity. It isn't based on any feelings. This isn't about a gut feeling. I like this stock because the insiders like this stock. And so a CEO and director have been loading up shares of Catapult. Catapult Holdings, ticker symbol KPLT. I usually don't like stocks this cheap. This one's only right around $1.44 at close. And so this is a very cheap one, but Director Brian Hirsch and the CEO Orlando Zayas I've been loading shares and loaded shares in open market. Love to see multiple officers loading shares in open market. That is one reason why I'm bullish on this stock, especially in the short term. You can see in after hours, the response to that was really quick and decisive. You can see a move up of 3.47%, even though it had a 7% decline in the day previous. And so I find that bullish. Also, some people are responding to the insider activity, getting in early. So they provide technology that integrates seamlessly with online platforms. Online business is booming. It is still doing well. They offer instant approvals of up to $3,500. And so this is something that works very well with different online retailers. Online retailers continue to do well, so I like this one for a nice move. I like the insider transaction, especially with two different insiders going in. There could be news soon. I want to emphasize could be. I do not know of news. All I know is that the insiders are buying this stock, and we want to follow the vital few. And these are a director and a CEO who are spending enough money they would not want to waste it. They have to be in the stock for more than 6 months, so they have high conviction that this is going to move up in the next 6 months. What do analysts say? Well, let's take a look. Average analyst target is $2.50. We have only one analyst or two analysts reporting. Both are set on a hold here. One with a price target of $4 and looks like another one of $1. So, pretty mixed there. I almost call that inconclusive at this point. You can see overall on the chart. So as we take a look at technical factors on the RSI, we're at 47. So it's not overbought. It's not oversold. It's just kind of a medium value at this current time. Another thing I noticed about this stock is that it has a 52-week high of $14.98. And so that is quite a big difference from where we're at here. I don't think we get anywhere close to that, but we should see a nice surge, especially if we have good CPI data. This being a small cap, I like it for a nice move. Please have a strategy for everything that you do. If you don't have a strategy, you have no idea what I'm talking about, and you want to follow the vital few, then check out my Discord and check out my Patreon. I have a link in the description down below. I would sure love to see you there, and the best of luck in trading. I hope all of you have a fantastic day on the markets, and Raythoven out.